Hey guys, it's David Bonfadini. I'm with Rich Ferguson.
We're gonna go mess with the first group of construction dudes.
This is gonna be fun. Let's go. Alright. Is this one of your guys's? No, is this yours?
I thought.
Dude.
What the heck?
We're just out. We wanted to bring some smiles to you guys. We see you working hard, and we were like, "Is this your hammer, bud? No, it's not yours. Okay, thank you. Are you sure? Here, toss it to the guys." It's just rubber. Did you drop this? Is this yours? Is this your guys's?
No, I don't.
It's rubber. Did you leave the hammer up here?
I think it's like.
Oh! Is that your car? Please tell me that's your car.
Not my car. Oh, it's alright.
Oh.
Oh, watch out!
Oof. Alright guys, so there was the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up because hey, it was fun. Fun. And thank you to Rich Ferguson for having fun with me and actually filming this. It was a blast to go around and actually troll Pismo Beach with this guy and throw hammers at people. So if you want to see more of what I do, make sure you click here. And if you want to see the reason why I was actually here, it was for Rich Ferguson, that guy that you just saw. Go ahead and click his awesome YouTube 1 million subscriber party right here. And as always, I will see you next week because you have a daily routine and it's my job to crash it.